Here we got a stair tread template tool. Before I show you how this thing works, the first thing I noticed was just how nice this thing felt. This is kind of like an anodized aluminum, I'm assuming. And it's just, the quality of it is so nice. Like the finish of it is just beautiful. It's got a million features, probably more features than I can even show you in one video. But the way this thing works, it's very adjustable. It's got screws and set points everywhere. So if you're doing like the same thing over and over again, you can kind of set this up. But let's just show you kind of how it works. I was playing with it and I tightened it down. Basically the way this works is you're supposed to, you push these little pins down right here, pin and pin, and this is supposed to hit the nose, right? And then you push these in. This is kind of difficult to show you, but you're basically, what you're doing is you're pushing this into the tread, okay? And what this is doing is making a perfect template of your stair, because every stair is going to be a little bit different. So if you're doing any kind of vinyl or rug or wood, especially if you're doing some kind of wood, I have to loosen that up. You know, that's what this is perfect for. So these little tabs here keep it in there. And of course I have rug here, so it's, you know, it's a little difficult, but I am going to be redoing this. Then you have these knobs here that allow you to adjust the width. So I can push it all the way out, lock it up. And then if these are off at all, these adjust, right? So what you do is you push it in, put these spikes kind of into the corner, and then you just tighten everything down, all right? And then what you do is you take this to wherever you're using as your stair tread. This is your nose, right? This little piece here, and this moves up and down. And you put this down, and the one thing is that it does lay very nice and flat. So if you were going to use this to cut something out, it's really nice. It lays flat. So they thought of everything. The knobs are very easy to use. To put it together was pretty simple. It comes with an owner's manual. It also comes with the tools to put it together. It's a few Allen keys. And then when you're going to, you know, if you don't need this, you're not doing flooring or stair treads every day, you can take this apart and store it in a box that they include, which is also very nice. You have a roller here on the side, you know, which is, I guess, cool. I'm not sure you would use that because it's more of a template, right? So the idea of this is you're not pulling out any tape measures, but I guess it's nice to have that option. But this is just really, really, really nice. It's even labeled left and right, so you know, maybe you don't confuse yourself. You make sure you keep it in the same angle. I just can't get over how nice this is. It's just a really nice tool to have. Very, very, very well thought out. They even added a little ledge here so that it compensates for the hardware here, so that when you do put it down, it lays flat. Very nice tool. I have a few tools from these guys, and everything is this really nice red anodized aluminum. It just feels really nice in your hand. It's slippery, but also grippy at the same time, if that makes sense. So you're not going to drop it. Very nice. Very impressed.